Hello, today we will learn the demo installation of CLHotel Directory WordPress theme for top-notch hotel directory site. So start this. Firstly, go to the Appearance, then Theme to add new. Click Upload Theme. It will ask you for choosing file. Select the exact zip file of CLHotel and you will get it while purchasing. Now install it. After installing, click to activate. It will require you a list of plugins for beginning installation. So select all of these plugins to install. Then click Apply. After installing, return to the required plugin installer. Select them to activate. Now back to the dashboard and go to the installed plugins. Get RT Demo Importer. You can delete this after demo content install if you want. Here is our required CLHotel Directory WordPress theme. Now install it. It will take few time to finish. After completing installation, you will get this amazing Hotel Directory WordPress theme with lots of features and an amazing listing archive page with a super listing detail page. What's not here? Review and ratings, live communication facility, hotel short description with promo videos, images, also with the multi monetization methods. So build your site with CLHotel. Thank you for watching.